Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to add details because there's so many ways to draw and so many ways to sketch, and you can choose any kind of way that you like, that you are comfortable. And the way I used to sketch, like at first I just draw the basic, then I start uh, to add details. So I'm not like this. I just draw an eyes and I then I start adding details, then I draw other eye, then I starting adding details again. I'm not like this. I at first just draw the whole thing, then I start to add details. This is the way that I use to draw. But if you want to, if you watch other artist videos, you can see some of them they don't follow this way, and it's totally fine. If you are comfortable with it, then go for it. If you're not, then just choose other way to do it. So let's start. This is how I have done the shape. Just it's not the finishing sketch, it's just a simple basic. Then I'm gonna add the details. So let's start. In case of details, you have to add tiny details, like everything in with explanations, uh, like you can see that I didn't apply eyelashes, I didn't apply double eyelid. There are so many lackings in this picture, so now I'm gonna fulfill those lackings. Like now I'm gonna add everything that I want to add. So yeah. I'm done with adding details. So yeah, that's it. If you are watching from start to end of this video, then you know that there is a huge difference right now, because after adding details it's looking more beautiful. So you need to be little bit careful and add whatever you want, but at appropriate thing. Like just if you are doing sketch from your imagination, so try different things and try to find out what looks more good, then try to keep it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.